Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. In pre-planned sequence, the production of different crop on a piece of land is called. Your right answer is cerebral. Option B is your correct answer. In the soil, there are part of the destructive biological substances called. Your right answer is dam. Option D. Who published the Handbook of Statistics on Indian Economy? Your right answer is Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Option D. Who is the chairman of the draft committee set up in 1947? Your right answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option B. In which of the following period is the idol of the famous Nataraj in the Tandev dance currency? Your right answer is Chola. Option A is your correct answer. Related to Prime Minister Ujjwal Yojana dash. Your right answer is LPG. Connections to BPL women. LPG full form liquefied petroleum gas, mainly contain butane. Where did Dadabhai Naoroji set up the East India Association? Your right answer is London. Option D is your correct answer. Colored is dash. Your right answer is alternate mixing. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following state is situated at the pilgrimage point of Pilgrim Center? Your right answer is Assam. Option A is your correct answer. The word socialist was added to the preamble of the Indian Constitution. Your right answer is in 1976. Option C is your correct answer. When was the first roundtable conference held? Your right answer is 1930. Option A is your correct answer. Which law has been called the highest law of the country in the Indian Constitution? Your right answer is constitutional rule. Option D is your correct answer. The world leading producer of manganese is. Your right answer is South Africa. Option D is your correct answer. Who is used in the treatment of goiter? Your right answer is iodine isotope. Option D is your correct answer. Where was the second roundtable conference held in 1931? Your right answer is London. Option D is your correct answer. The President of India has a tenure. Your right answer is 5 years. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following state of India is experiencing mango rain? Your right answer is Kerala. Option A is your correct answer. Who has called the preamble essence of the Constitution? Your right answer is Sir Ernest Barker. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is a privately owned company? Your right answer is Tata Steel Limited. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following soil humidity is also known as in the form of renunciation? Your right answer is agricultural disaster. Option A is your correct answer. Who published the magazine Horizon? Your right answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Option A is your correct answer. The SI number of power is. Your right answer is watt. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following paragraph of Indian Constitution have the right to freedom? Your right answer is Article 19 to 22. Option D is your correct answer. Harappa, an important site of the Indus Valley civilization, was situated on the bank of the which of the following river? Your right answer is Ravi River. Option C is your correct answer. The Constituent Assembly was formed in November 1946 under the scheme. Your right answer is Cabinet Mission Plan. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is the driver of heat and electricity? Your right answer is non-metal. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is a member of petroleum exporting country OPEC? Your right answer is Libya. Option D is your correct answer. What is the distance between two consecutive construction or the successes of two continuous retreats? Your right answer is wavelength. What is the full form of GDP in the economy? Your right answer is gross domestic product. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following river is a tributary of the right bank of Yamuna? Your right answer is Ken. Option B is your correct answer. The origin of the Olympic are related to dash. Your right answer is Greek. Option A is your correct answer. What type of tree are found in trees such as teak, sal, sesame? Your right answer is tropical wet decay forest. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following game require a bat? Your right answer is softball. Option C is your correct answer. Who is called the same group of cell in structure and work? Your right answer is tissue. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following foreign traveler called the Telugu language Italian of the East? Your right answer is Niccolo Conti. Option A is your correct answer. What is SAGE, which has been set up to attract foreign investment? Your right answer is Special Economic Zone. Option B is your correct answer. When an object moves in the circular path at the same speed, then its speed is called. Your right answer is uniform circular speed. Option A is your correct answer. Dr. Salim Ali Bard Sanctuary is located in Dash State. Your right answer is Goa. Option C is your correct answer. In 1943, in which district was the parallel government established? Your right answer is Satara. Option A is your correct answer. Which is the largest country in North America according to area? Your right answer is Canada. Option B is your correct answer. The word leg before wicket is related to dash. Your right answer is cricket. Option D is your correct answer. The origin of the Kabaddi is, your right answer is India. Option D is your correct answer. India's Constitutional Assembly adopted the national flag dash. Your right answer is July 22, 1947. Option D is your correct answer. In 1912, dash participated in swimming for the first time in the Olympic Games. Your right answer is Oman. Option D is your correct answer. Who is the first president of independent India? Your right answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option A is your correct answer. In which cave is the Ravan shaking Koyas mountain? Your right answer is Ellora cave. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is related to Deoband Trophy? Your right answer is cricket. Option D is your correct answer. Which governor of Bengal started the government double rule system? Your right answer is Robert Clive. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is a oceanic stream in the North Atlantic Ocean? Your right answer is Gulf Stream. Option B is your correct answer. This is our last questions of today class. Question of 50. Part 3 of the Indian Constitution is related to. Your right answer is fundamental right. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.